banmal. Banmal. What does this term mean? We will know later on this video because today we're going to discuss about the word mal. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 237. Mal. Mal. This is pronounced as just one syllable word. Pronounce it with me. Mal. The word mal is the Korean term for word. Again, mal is word. Mal is the Korean word for word itself. How do we write mal in Hangul? This is composed of just 3 characters. The first character is a miyum character. It is followed by an a character. And then it is followed by a real character. And then we just need to combine these 3 characters to form the Hangul of the word mal. And looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of the video, this is pronounced as pan-mal. And if you notice, the second syllable of this word is mal, which is actually our word for today. Pan-mal is a combination of 2 words. The first word is pan, which means half, and mal, which is our word for today, which means word itself, or this could also be used to call a speech. So, when we say pan-mal, it is considered a half speech, or more probably a shortened way of speaking. This is just my insight. For you to remember the meaning of the word pan-mal, we should remember the half speech. So when we are casually speaking to those people that are close to us, we don't really complete the words. Most of the time, we want it shortened because we want to convey the message easily. So yeah, banmal is what we call an informal speech in Korean, and this is a way of speaking used to people that are of the same age as us or younger than us. The opposite of banmal, or the counterpart of it, is chondemal, which is a formal speech. What I notice about formal speech is that we make it longer. We add yo at the ending most of the time, or sumnida. So it's a longer term than banmal. Sort of, we wanted to complete the whole of the word, or we want to add honorifics as well to express that you are trying to be polite or respectful toward respectable persons. So formal speech is used to those that are in the authority, people that are with you on the corporate setup. You can also use this to people that are older than you in general. And one thing that I want you to notice is that banmal and chondemal both ends with the word mal, because both of these are way of speaking or speech. So with these 2 words, I hope you are able to remember about the Korean word mal, which is the Korean word for word itself or speech. For the last time, mal is word or speech, banmal is informal speech, and chondemal is formal speech. And a speech is simply a way of speaking. And with that, you've just learned mal. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 227 to 236. But of course, don't forget our word for today, word number 237, mal, which is the Korean word for word or speech. Word number 236 is 아무것도, which means anything or nothing. Word number 235 is 나라, which means country. Word number 234 is 도시, which means city. Word number 233 is 화장실, which means bathroom. Word number 232 is 졸업하다, which means to graduate. Word number 231 is nyon, which means year. Word number 230 is hyogi, which means here. Word number 229 is hu, which means after. Word number 228 is chone, which means before or formerly. Word number 227 is bun, which means minute. That's it for our review. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.